happened to Luke? He's the fastest kid on the team. He's amazing. He's in every play. He's so aggressive. He just doesn't get tired. He's everywhere. And he really was. My husband and I were watching from the side and going, oh my gosh, he is in every play and his kicks are harder and everything. It's like he's a different child. Asked him, I was like, do you get tired on the soccer field? And he was like, no, I don't get tired. I just don't run out of air. And I asked him, I said, do you ever pant? Because I thought the whole thing about like panting, it just seems like that's such a natural thing that people always have done, that when you have intense exercise, it just seems like mouth breathing is going to happen. But I remembered you saying that that's not part of the norm for healthy people.
I feel normal.
Normal? Tell me what normal is.
I sleep better at night, so I'm more energetic.
So you're not abnormal? No, you're normal. Good. How are you, Nathan?
I'm feeling a lot better.
The school is like, I don't know what you did over Christmas. It was so great. Like her academics has improved, her reading's improving, her letter reversals have improved.
I paid attention in class better, and I also wrote quicker.
And yesterday he brought home the paper and it was completely done, and I was blown away.
She swung on a trapeze and did a flip like a kid and hung by her knees. A kid who has core strength issues and coordination issues. It's just like my body has so much more energy. It's telling me to move right now, and it wasn't before.
My attitude.
Your attitude's better?
Yep. I can breathe through my nose now. I'm not breathing with my mouth anymore. Oh yeah, today we were doing a mile run and I was able to do it quickly.
Next day, she jumped right out of bed like she had been rested like never before and was like, okay, I'm ready to go. And I was like, okay, who's this kid?
Families that do this practice together are much better adjusted to each other. They get on better.
The moms that are interested in helping and inspiring the kids really blossom with this.
Everything Buteyko mentioned is the exact opposite to what the medical profession is saying. It's completely opposite to what is commonly known. You should be breathing less to get more oxygen. If our breathing isn't right, we tend to go downhill from the late teens. These days, people have got such poor breathing that the problems start when people are very young, younger and younger actually.